Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, as we continue our trek through division, we're going to continue with two-digit divisors today. We will probably later this week move into dividing a whole number into a decimal, which is not really doing anything but adding one step, and that's just moving the decimal point straight up. So easy peasy, raw chicken squeezy. I mean, if you can go up, then that's really not any more difficult. So, Saray, give me a four-digit number.
5,628.
5,628. Eli, give me a two-digit number. 23.
Do the hardest part of division.
Yes, we got to start with the most difficult part of division is listing the factors of 23. It's too low here. So times 1 is 23. Times 2 is
46.
46. Y'all going to have to help me now. Times 3 is
69.
times 4 is 92. Times 5 is
115, sorry. Oh, yeah.
times 6 is
138.
y'all be checking this because I'm not. Times 7 is
181.
No,
I think.
161.
161.
Yeah,
I didn't.
times 8 is
184. Sorry.
and times 9 is
207.
207.
Yeah.
All right, I'm trusting all these are right. Should I trust them?
Yeah.
All right. All right, I like to divide these up here. It makes my life easier. Well, then don't. Then don't. All right, so does 23 go into 5?
No.
Does 23 go into 56?
Yes.
Yes, I go over here to the most difficult part of division. And I find as close to 56 as I can get without going over, and it is 2. And that's 46. I subtract, I get 10. 10 is less than 23, so that definitely is not going to be a problem. I bring down my 2. Now I have to take 23 into 102. I go over to the most difficult part of division. I need to get as close to 102 as I can get without going over. 4 is 92. So multiply by 4, it's 92. And again, we get 10. 10. Sorry. And I bring down the 8. And 10 is less than 23, so we're fine in that part. Bring down the 8. And we take 23 into 108. So I go over here and I find as close as I can get to 108 without going over, and that is 4. So it's just 92. And 92, and that gives me 16. Am I right here on this? 16. All right, so I have 244, remainder 16. But once again, Zane texted me this morning and said, hey, Mr. McMurdo, when you do the problem, 5,628 divided by 23 today, somehow he knew that, will you also use the inverse operation of multiplication to check it? I'm like, yeah, whatever. I mean, okay.
I'm still single.
So then I take 244, I multiply it by 23. 4 times 3 is 12, 13, 7. So 244 times 3 is 732. Now Zane always reminds me to put my 0 here because now I'm going to the tens place. I multiply 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. I get 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 16, 5,612.
Add 16.
But wait.
But wait, there's more.
Add the remainder.
Add the remainder. 5,628. And boom. Zane, do you feel better now?
Yeah.
Good.
Kind of.
Good. Let's do one more quickly. Yeah, I don't want you to get any.
Did he text you when you were sleeping?
Zane, give me a 4-digit number.
4-digit.
1,000.
Shh.
256.
And
His name is Carter.
Polari, give me a 2-digit number. That's a 1-digit number.
You don't know it.
Travis.
69.
That's a
Oh my God.
2-digit number.
That's what I asked for.
2-digit number. I was gonna say 99.
All right, so times 1 is 69. Times 2 is
138.
Yeah, I think.
times 3 is
What is this? Travis.
69 times 3.
I don't.
How much do
I'm waiting. 69 times 3.
Oh, it's 200 and 217. 207, I think.
207.
Yep.
All right, times 4.
Is
Okay, I can't hear.
276.
Times 5. See, I would just add 70 and subtract 1 every time.
345.
Times 6.
414.
I was about to sing it.
See, that's why this is the most difficult, because most of you don't want to do it. And then most of you won't work it out. You'll just sit there and stare at it.
488.
I don't know why I got it wrong. 480?
3.
Then you'll come up to me and go, I don't understand why I got it wrong. And I'll say, list your multiples of your divisor. And you'll go, oh, 500 who?
52.
And times 9.
One is the
That is 621. Knew it.
All right. So now, I'm going to draw my little lines in here. All right. Does it go into 1?
Yeah.
No. Does it go into 12?
No.
Now I know it goes into 125, so I have to go over here to the most difficult part of division. And I got to get as close to 125 as I can get without going over, and it's 1. So 1. So subtracts. That's going to be 15. That's 6. 56, and that's smaller than my divisor. 56. So I'm okay there. I bring down the 6. Now I have to see how many times it goes into 566, which would be 8 times. And that is 552. So that's going to give me 14. So it looks like it equals 18. Remainder 14. Now I need to make sure so that Zane doesn't keep bothering me. Then I got to make sure that my answer is right. So I multiply by 18. 9 times 8 is 72. 6 times 8 is 48. Plus 7 is 55. Then, as Zane always points out to me, you got to put your 0 here because you're going to the tens place. Then I have 9, then I have 6, and then I add 2, 14, 12,000, or 1,242. But Eli, what do I do next?
You add your remaining.
You're not Eli. See, I call on somebody who's not paying attention to try and get them to pay attention. And if you're going to run your mouth and give them the answer, then that doesn't help me at all. 1,256. Boom, shakalaka, peace out, God bless, love you, do something kind today, save the bees. Do the most difficult part of division before you start it because it makes your life easier. Please subscribe.